Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's August 27th, 2023. I'm in where are we? Where are we, Paul? We're in the
Gym fair in Costa Mesa.
Costa Mesa. We're at the gym convention, but we brought all of our chemtrail stuff to get people to check into it. And here's Jack, one of the guys working with. I just wanted to hear, he told me something earlier, and it just sounded really good.
Hi, I'm Jack Godinho. I'm here representing geoengineeringwatch.org. And I shared a story with John that I want to repeat. I have a dear friend that has she's a grandmother, but she has a 2-year-old granddaughter that speaks very well. Well, they were driving around Dana Point, and the 2-year-old says to her grandma, she goes, "Grandma, the sun," she didn't use the word "is warm on me." She didn't say "it's hot." She didn't use any of those terms. She goes, "Grandma, the sun is hurting me." Well, that's UVC coming through. So
yeah,
even if the day is maybe 80 or whatever, if you put your back to the sun, you will feel the UVC coming through.
Yes.
Because it's like somebody has a magnifying glass.
That's what it feels like, or an iron on you.
And I have a lot of adult friends that I tell them that, and they really have no response. But we got a 2-year-old that uses the term, "Grandma, the sun is hurting me." So
that is amazing.
It's coming down, it's coming through, and that's just a little part of what geoengineering is going on. But I want to share that story because it tells you just with your body's ability to feel things and see things that this should be common knowledge to everybody. But
and it's coming from an innocent mind that's just telling you what she feels, and
right.
And we know it, but we don't know to say, "Oh, it's awful hot." But yeah, that's really good.
Yes.
Okay, thanks for sharing that.
All right,
I really
thank you,
appreciate
John.
that.